Hello everyone, welcome back. So here we are again with our new topic about the discount series. So in our last discussion, I've discussed to you the single trade discount. So we have two types of the trade discount. The first one is single trade discount and the second one is the discount series. So at this moment, we will move on to the next topic under buying and selling, which is the discount series. So first of all, let us know what is a discount series. A discount series, also called a chain discount or trade discount series, is a type of discount in which several discounts are given to a customer at different times and different conditions. So our clue words here are the words that are being bold. The first one is the chain discount or the trade discount series. And another clue is several discounts. In single trade discount, we can find one rate in the problem if you are given your problem. In the discount series, we can find more than one rate. So what is the difference between single trade discount and discount series aside from the one that I've mentioned a while ago? The primary difference between a single trade discount and a discount series is that there are more conditions buyers must meet in a discount series to take full advantage of the reduction. In the single trade discount, the calculation is straightforward. However, in the discount series, we will take a lot of steps in order to arrive at the final answer, and you will find out that later. So we go on along with our discussion. Okay, so here we have an example about the discount series. So let us study this example. An appliance store offers a refrigerator at 14,000 pesos with a discount of 25% and 15%. How much does a refrigerator cost? So here in this problem, we will use three methods in order to get the final answer, which is the net price or the invoice price of the refrigerator. So the first method that we will study is the longer one. What is this method? Let's find out. So here in our problem, we have the given values. Our list price or our original price is 14,000 pesos. And our discount rates are 25% and 15%. So we have two rates here because we are in a discount series topic. So our unknown value or our x here, what we are looking for or what we are solving for is the invoice price or the net price. So using the first method, let us start. So first step, apply the first discount rate to the listed price and subtract the discount obtained from the list price. So in the first step, we will try to get the first discount. So how to get the first discount? Of course, we will multiply our rate to our list price. That is, we are looking for the percentage. So that is base times the rate. So our first rate is 25%. And 25% in decimal is 0.25 or 25 hundredths. So multiplying this decimal to our base or to our original price, which is 14,000, the result is 3,500. So our first discount in our refrigerator is 3,500. Now, in order to get the first remainder after deducting 25% from the base, what we will do is we will subtract the discount 3,500 from 14,000, which is the list price. So 14,000 minus 3,500, the difference is 10,500 pesos. So 10,500 pesos is the first remainder. Now, remember that this is just the first remainder. After applying the 25% rate, we still have the 15% rate. So next step, we will apply the 15% rate. But this time, our base changed. In step 1, our base is 14,000. But in step 2, we will use 10,500 as our base. Okay, so 10,500 is our base here, and our rate is not 25%, but 15%. So first transform 15% to decimal, the answer is 0.15. Then multiplying it to our first remainder, which is 10,500. So 10,500 times 0.15, the answer is 1,575. So this is the second discount after applying the 15% rate. Now, in order to get the invoice price or the net price, of course, we will subtract 1,575 from our base, which is 10,500. Okay, so 10,500, which is our first remainder, minus 1,575 pesos, which is our second discount. The answer is 8,925. So 8,925 here is our final answer after getting the 25% and the 15% discount. Therefore, we can conclude that the cost of the refrigerator given in a series of discounts, 25% and 15% is 8,925. So this is the first method. Okay, let's have the second method. Okay, what is the second method? Second method is we can calculate the inverse price faster using one discount. This one discount is called the single discount equivalent. So remember, we have two rates, which are the 25% and 15%. Now, in order to do the shortcut, we will try to combine that two rates into one rate. That is called the single discount equivalent. So how will we do that? Okay, we have here a table. Okay, first we will find the complements of the percent rates and obtain the respective equivalents. Okay, so we have here in our table three columns. The first column is we have here the percent given in the problem. We have 25% and 15%. And the second column is the complement of percent. Now, complement of 25% is 75%. How? That is 100% minus 25%. The answer is 75%. Because percent is always in 100. That's why we will subtract the percent given from 100%. So 100 minus 25, the answer is 75. 100 minus 15, the answer is 85%. And after getting the complement of the percent given the problem, we will transform these complements into decimal. So 75% in decimal is 0.75 or 75 hundredths, and 85% into decimal is 0.85 or 85 hundredths. Next step, after getting the complements of the percent given, what we will do is we will multiply the decimal equivalents and subtract the result from 1. So the decimals are 0.75 and 0.85. So multiplying these two values, the result is 0.6375 or 6,375 10,000s. We have here tenths, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Then after multiplying the two decimals, we will subtract the result from 1. Why 1? Because 100% in decimal is 1. That's why we will subtract 1 minus 0.6375. So the answer is 0.3625 or 3,620 or 3,625 10,000. Next step, after subtracting the result from 1, what we will do is to solve for the final answer, to solve for the invoice price. So our list price is 14,000 times 0.3625, in which we solved earlier. The answer is 5,075 pesos. This is not yet the final answer because we will still subtract this one from our list price, which is 14,000. So 14,000 minus 5,075, the answer is 8,925. So this is now the net price or the invoice price. So the second method is also a bit long. First, we will find the complement of the percent given, transform them into decimals, and after that, we will multiply the two decimals, subtract from 1, then multiply to the list price and subtract the result from also the list price. So we now obtain the net price, which is 8,925. So that is the second method. Okay, the third method is, I guess, it's the shortest method among the three. Okay, so we have here also a table with three columns. The first column is also the percent given in the problem. The second column is the complement of the percent given. And the third column is the decimal equivalent of the complements. Okay, so complement of 25% is 75 because 100 minus 25 is 75. The complement of 15% is 85%. Then transforming these two rates into decimal, the answer is 0.75 or 75 hundredths and 0.85 or 85 hundredths. After that, we will multiply all the decimal equivalent of the complements of the discount rates. So that is, we will just multiply the list price times 0.75 times 0.85. So automatically, we get the answer 8,925. Okay, so this is the fastest or the shortest method among the three. So this is how to solve problems involving discount series.